What's up, everyone? Wanted to go ahead and share something personal with you and give you guys an update video. First and foremost, this is my beautiful and wonderful daughter, Hope. And we wanted to go ahead and talk a little bit about what we're going to be doing here in the near future with H2 Minutes. We love bringing you guys content around hydrogen and for health. But currently, we have a different focus going on right now with this little one. And just going to give you a little bit of a forecast for H2 Minutes in the near future.
Most of you don't know who I am. I'm Taiwan's wife, Kayla. And like he said, this is our daughter, Hope. Many of you may not know Hope was born with Down syndrome. And with that, she has a heart defect called AVCD.
So basically what that means is my daughter has an atrioventricular canal defect. And in short, that is just my daughter has a big hole in the middle of her heart. And in fact, Hope actually has 3 holes in her heart that has to be dealt with and fixed with a procedure. So this procedure is actually going to be taking place in a couple days. So my daughter's about to have open heart surgery.
We found out about her heart condition early on, so So we've been preparing for this moment for a long time. After a lot of doctor visits and planning, her surgery is finally scheduled for February 24th. So depending on when you're watching, for us right now it's Thursday the 20th, and so her surgery will be this upcoming Monday. This is a big deal for our family, so we just wanted to let you all know what's going on behind the scenes.
So many people have asked us how they can help us, and first and foremost, you can always extend your prayers and your thoughts, praying for her to have strength and praying for her to have a strong recovery. And we're also going to be supplementing with hydrogen because we know that can help her as well. But secondly, you can donate for us in this season as well, as we will be dealing with her being in the hospital and having about a 6-week recovery. And so this is going to be looking a little bit different for our family as we go through this little bit of a transition for her to have her heart be the way it is right now, but be working better and stronger. And so we would appreciate any kind of donations you want to give. You can do so by going to the description of this video and donating either a one-time donation, and we will definitely have, tell them, girl, we'll definitely have a link there if you guys want to contribute to us.
So for the next few weeks, things might look a little different around here. We'll still be around, but if we're a little quieter than usual, this is why. Our main focus will be on Hope and making sure she gets through surgery safely.
In this time, we will be having other people step in and continue to try to answer comments and post certain things for us as we go through this little recovery period for Hope. And we will also have content that we are going to be putting out that's a little bit different to kind of fill the gap that's not our full feature H2 Minute videos. Please know we have already planned the entire year of videos that are slotted for H2 Minutes, covering all kind of cool topics around molecular hydrogen. There's just so much that we can cover with hydrogen. We can teach on it for the next 10 years. But right now we are going to be putting out content that's going to look a little different, such as me having reaction videos, things that can kind of fill in the gap, mini minutes and stuff like that. So know it's going to look different, but as we get through this, we'll obviously get back to our normal routine with H2 Minute videos. We are actually building an amazing team right now around us that are going to support us through this and going to go ahead and continue to ensure H2 Minutes is posting regularly. And then as we get back into the swing of things, they'll still be helping us. So hopefully it'll be more efficient when it comes to how we're putting out these videos.
Thank you everyone for being a part of this journey and for all the love and support you've shown us over the years. We'll keep you posted when we can, and we'll see you soon.
So once again, as a point of summary, if you want to help us, you can do so by going to the link in the description and donating to us. And also, your prayers matter. We are big believers in Jesus. And so if you want to pray, we will definitely take your prayers right now as we go through this surgery with Hope. All right, y'all. See y'all later. Deuces.